Hello all, myself Professor A.J. More, working as Assistant Professor in Engineering Sciences Department. Today, we'll be learning engineering curves by using AutoCAD. So in the today's session, we can practice the uh, engineering curves by using some of the basics and modifying commands. So in the sheet number 1, we have the problem: draw an Archimedean spiral for maximum 90 mm radius for one revolution. So in this, we can start with the hands-on for this particular problem. So in the JWCAD, if you enter to the JWCAD, in that the problem is draw an Archimedean spiral for maximum radius 90 mm for one convolution or one revolution. So I already drawn a radius of circle of radius for 90 mm circle, then drawn a radius vector equal to 90 mm. So overall diameter for this circle is equal to 180 as per the concept. So one revolution is nothing but one convolution. So we have to use commands now to draw the actual curves. So we have to use first divide command. So go to the divide, then it is asking select the entity to divide. So entity is nothing but our radius vector. So now next it's asking enter the number of segments. So I need to divide this into the 10 equal parts, oh, sorry, 8 equal parts as per the concept. Similar way, I need to use a polar array for this curve. So go to the modifying command as array, select the object. So this object, then select the object. After the object, you can enter. Then it is asking the select the grid between the same. So this is something went wrong. So to exit from the any command, so we need to use the exit command, and we can use again as it is not executed. So go to the array command. After the array command, or you can directly go to the modifying command, then array. Here it is array. There are three types of array. We need polar array for the circle. Select the object, then enter. Then it is asking specify center point. As it is, this is my center point. Now it is asking select the grid to edit the array. So how many entities angle between? So I am required to have a 360-degree. Okay, similar way the 360-degree. Another, you can go to the 360-degree. Then it is making some error. Array, polar array. Yes, you can see that it is made into the eight views of the same. Then we can draw passing to these points directly like this. All the generated make effort on to make the ortho on to get the perpendicular line exactly. Similar way, right click to get the repeat the line, repeat command. Similar way, the same concept you can use. As you can see, the circle is divided into the 8 equal parts, 4 equal parts. So if I want to get the entity of those curves, I need to pass the circle to every point Repeat the circle. Whatever divisions we have made, so those divisions we need to use here. Passing to every point, we need to draw the points. Now, if I say this is the radius vectors, and now we have to draw by using this command. Again, I will be using modifying array command. So I will try one more time. Array, then select the objects after the enter, then specify center. This is the center. As you can see, enter plus once again it is created for the 9 equal parts, or sorry, 8 equal parts for the same. So if I click on the center, so I can see the base point and all it is mentioned. So 40 radius, 25 mm. So number of equal parts, I want 8 parts, so make it 8 parts. It will be equal 45 using 45-degree method. Now the most important thing after this, we need to observe. Go to the second bilayer. Let it be your, let's say this is the cyan color. You can say the cyan color, and select the spline curve to trace the curve. And most importantly, we should select the three types of line: continuous, thick, and go to the spline, and from starting point trace the points of the curve as 1 2 3, then 4, then 5th, 6th, 7th, and this one 8th. 2 times double click, 1 2 3, it will be your spline curve, and make the thickness on, so it will be your Archimedean spiral on a curve. So you can give the dimensions as per the same. So this is the dimension for the circle. You can change the color, right? You can increase the font size as it is 20 and 10 mm. How much it is? 180. It's not, yes, it is 95 580. And then the name of the curve, by using, you can go to the draw or text, you can multi-line text. Name of the curve you can mention Archimedean spiral. Okay, now you can again change the text height equal to, let's say, 10 mm. Okay. So this is the construction by which we can draw the curve. So as it is, the radius is 90 mm, so your diameter will be 180, and this is the green color, whatever you see, that is the Archimedean spiral. Okay, thank you. In this session we'll learn about the how to draw Archimedean spiral in the CAD.